In this video, we'll learn how to recall email in Outlook. In today's fast-paced work environment, we often find ourselves sending out emails in a hurry, only to realize later that we have made a mistake or sent the email to the wrong person. This can lead to embarrassment, misunderstandings, and even legal issues. Fortunately, Microsoft Outlook offers a feature that allows you to recall an email that you have sent as long as certain conditions are met. In this video, we will explore how to recall email in Outlook step by step. Message recall is available after you click send and is available only if both you and the recipient have a Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange email account in the same organization. So, for example, a message sent to or from a Hotmail, Gmail, or Livecom account can't be recalled. Steps recall email in Outlook. Step 1. In the folder pane on the left of the Outlook window, choose the Sent Items folder. Step 2. Open the message that you want to recall. You must double-click to open the message. Selecting the message. Step 3. If you have the classic ribbon, from the Message tab, select Actions, recall this message. If you have the simplified ribbon, select the Message tab and then select More Commands. Point to Actions and select Recall this message. Step 4. Click Delete unread copies of this message, or delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and then click OK. Step 5. If you're sending a replacement message, compose the message and then click Send. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.